Revit 2022 enables tags to be applied to curtain wall mullions. Navigate to the Loaded Tags and Symbols dialog to view the current list of tags and symbols assigned to family categories. A new category has been added for curtain wall mullions. Here, you may choose to load the tag for curtain wall mullions provided with Revit 2022, or create your own tag specifically for this category. To add tags individually, go to the Annotate tab and select Tag by Category. Then select a mullion. The tag is created and automatically populates with information from the mullion element, as defined in the tag family. You can also use Tag All to add tags to all elements of a given type at once. This feature improves documentation workflows for curtain walls in Revit 2022.